Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to crop pictures in OneNote Windows. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It really helps us a lot. Okay, first of all, I want to make sure that Microsoft OneNote does not have a built-in cropping tool for images. However, you can crop the image using an external tool or application and then insert it back into OneNote. So let's do it using Chrome. Now open Chrome and type on the search bar crop an image. Okay, go on the first website, I love image. Click on select images. Select the desired image you want to crop. I will go with this one. Crop the image according to your need. Click on crop image on bottom right corner. Download cropped image. Now again open OneNote. Go on insert tab on top left corner. Click on pictures. Select from file. Now insert the picture here. So that's it guys. That's how you can crop pictures in OneNote. Not in OneNote, by using an external tool. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.